Oh, right, you guys, welcome back. I went to my local Dollar General market. It's bigger than a normal Dollar General. I found this Hot Wheels Monster Trucks dual engine destroyer from 2025. Very nice. Named dual engine destroyer, truck type semi truck, strength rumbling racer, crash type revvy to rumble, same thing like the other one. These I still need them. The Jeep FE, Gangster, Team Shark, Rebel, I am the white one. Superman I need, Rageosaur have it, Rhino might need it, Tyrannosaurus Rex need it. That's pretty cool. I have both dual engine destroyers. This one and the teal one that came out for this year, 2026. So unboxing now. Alright, guys. Ooh, okay. This is a really nice one. Look at that color. Purple rims and beadlocks, red roll cage, metal base, of course. Look at how shiny that is. That's really shiny. There it is. Dual engine destroyer. It's pink on top. The grill. No headlight printing. I love the clear green. It says X Racers here. The motor in the back. The tail light. Back of it. Look how shiny that is, though. Look at that. It's almost blinding. Alright, guys, so that's what I got today. That's it. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.